We have made it to Mumbai. We are at the big old terminal here. Nice and modern. And let's see what it looks like once we're inside. Okay. I did carry on only, but I will show you guys the baggage claim area. Look at outside. That arrival was quite incredible. A little bit monsoonish out, tropical. Baggage reclaim. It's a big airport. You can tell it goes way up there. But it looks like it's very simple. I flew on the Stara Airlines. Here's the baggage claim. Let's see here. How do we exit? This was actually a domestic flight from northern India, so this is not a international arrival. I'm still yet to find out the name of this terminal. So I just did all that for no reason, really, because the exit's over here. So congratulations, we are once again the best airport by size and region. It actually is a modern, beautiful airport. It says exit. Okay. I'll show you guys the hotel once we get there. Oh. And they've got a airport hotel here. Niranta. Let's see, taxi, bus. Okay. Outside here. Oh, wow. We've made it. Let's see here. Wow, this is a nice airport. Quite different than Delhi. I'm outside though. This is an outside area. It's not inside. City bus, departures, prepaid taxi. Let's see, taxi. I'm looking for regular taxi. Let's see here. And the arrivals, international and domestic. Looks like they do got Uber. I'm actually not going too far, so let's see if I can figure this out. I'm only going to the Marriott. It's not very far away. There's some international arrivals coming in from Dubai, Nairobi, Bali, Tokyo, Mali. Seems like Maldives is a popular place. Okay, prepaid taxi. What is this prepaid taxi? I don't have a prepaid taxi. Oh, Uber pickup zone. Let's go use an Uber. That'll be easy. Looks like they have a lot more domestic arrivals than international arrivals. So Uber is actually on P4. So we've got to go down. Okay, the guy told me to go to P4. I'm on P4. But looks like I need to go a little bit lower. Okay. I don't know, P4. This is P4. Uber pickup zone. Maybe I'll just take a taxi. I mean, if they're already here, why do I need to wait on an Uber, right? Uber pickup. Ola Rentals. Okay. So I did have a guy pretend like he was Uber. He pulled up what appeared to be the Uber app, but it said 1,100 rupees. And then I used my Uber app and it said 140 rupees to go where I was going. So there was some sort of like stunt that he was pulling to charge me 10 times the amount. Basically, it's only like, I mean, it's a 10-minute drive. It's actually like a half a mile to go there, but because of this traffic, it'll be kind of far. Just let you know, like, what happened there. Okay, so the situation with the Uber is a mess. Doesn't work. No. So we're not going to get an Uber. We are going to get a taxi now. So let's see how this works out, because there was no Ubers available. After all that, they have 4 people standing there, but no drivers. Incredible. All right, so I just waited in line for about 10 minutes to get a prepaid taxi. And now we have this. Much different than Delhi, actually, for the airport. Harder to find a ride out of here, surprisingly. So we'll see what it's going to take to get there. All right. Is you? Okay. All right. Nice and small car. Barely holds the luggage, but it'll work. All right. Here we go. All right, so this is my hotel. Let's see if I can show you. There's the bathroom. It's a nice room. It's $100 a night right here next to the Mumbai airport. There's the lobby. I'm a Marriott Bonvoy Titanium Elite member. So I don't know if this is an upgraded room or what, but that's what they gave me. Small, very small, but functional, and that's all I really need. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Well, as it turns out, my hotel room has a great view of downtown and the airport. You can see downtown in the background there. I think that's downtown. But let me show you my room here real quick. So this is a Marriott Fairfield hotel. It works. It's small, very small and compact. Yeah, you can see here's like where the door is, and I walk in. They did give me some chocolate. I'm a Marriott Bonvoy Titanium and Elite member. Usually they like upgrade you to a bigger room, but here they did not. But the hotel room was not expensive. It's about $100 a night hotel room. It's a pretty good price for this, I would say. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.